What's up, YouTube? We're back here with another video. So first off, I apologize for not posting for over a month. I've been busy, so I'm back. But today, I gotta change. My water pump. Yep, it started leaking. So now I gotta change it. Gonna change it right here, right in my driveway. As y'all can see, coolant everywhere. Coolant is everywhere. But it's all right. Finna get this back up and running so I can get to the car meets. All right, so let me get to it. All right, so this is months later. So this is actually a week later. I couldn't finish recording the process because it started raining, and our whole week I had to fix it in the rain. So I fixed it and found out that my T-connector was also leaking. So I had to fix that too before I went out of town. So that's why this is a week later. So now that y'all back on track, let's get back to the video. That last clip was me fixing my my T-connector for my coolant. I did that, I fixed that, but I still had to replace my radiator, my upper radiator hose. So I did that. Now my car back up and running. So now I'm going to this car meet down here in Jacksonville, you know. So gonna head down there with Malik.
Yo, what the fuck?
He stay be trying to go to car meets with me. He might be my cameraman.
Yeah, you are playing.
He said I be playing.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll hit y'all when we get there. So we done made it to the bit and look. Come on, get out. We done made it to this point. Should I? Yeah, we done made it out this bit. Let me go ahead and hear it. Gotta stay hydrated. Everybody trying to come. I mean, it's still early. It started at 9. It's 9:05. My lights on. So, oh yeah, about that. I gotta tell you about that. So, I'ma just put the clip in. Well, my bumper flew off and my tire is fucking shredded, my nigga. I'm out in the middle of beach. So yeah, that's what happened. And so now I gotta find a new bumper. Well, I got a new bumper. It's on the way now, so we'll see how it looks. I guess he broke down or something. It's getting packed out this bit though. There's still some more people coming. I I got more people coming on the way. They got all different type of cars. Mustang, Chargers, shit, Chryslers, trucks. Nigga, what are you doing?
I was trying to talk shit.
You said what?
I was trying to. I was in this phone call before that shit.
You was in a phone call? My bad.
Before that shit. That shit, my phone acting slow as fuck.
You wanna walk around for a little bit? Yeah, so I gotta. Oh, I gotta, hold on, I gotta lock the car. Oh, got no bumper. Straight motorcycle right here. Oh, the other side. Hard though. Charger over there got his hood up like on something.
Call you back over.
This is over here caking. Come on before we get hit, man. Come on before we get hit.
My shit.
You say what? This
What that is? V8?
Huh?
That's V8.
I don't know, what is it? It's a Daytona, nigga. You gotta know your cars, man. You gotta know your cars. Okay, this is right hard, man. Hold on, I got it, hold on.
She addicted, like drugs. You know what's up, won't stop till I'm done. Shake that ass like an earthquake. That shit competition, who gon' come first place? Shout cut it up, nigga, I need first date. I like rich ass bitch, you got poor taste. That nigga scared, he be
your goldfish and your Gatorade and Sprite mixed together. Put y'all on something. What?
That shit is so nasty.
You said it's nasty?
Yeah.
You ain't even try it.
I don't want to.
You don't want to. Let's go back to the car real quick. Come on. Over there. There go 12.
You think that bitch gonna get shut down?
Come on, man. You know what the fuck's gonna happen.
Ask me about it. Who you smoking? Me?
I'll just play.
Man. You lying, nigga.
You smoking them?
Hey, we
I came to the one in Orlando. I seen all that bullshit happen.
Nah, fuck ass A-Rods, bro. When you gonna let me
We got Trey Keys though.
That's cool.
Alright.
Y'all see that, bro? Oh, that's cool. You ain't getting me bit back. I'm about to do 180 on the highway.
He said he gonna be doing 180 on the highway.
180, hell nah.
I'm about to do like 180 on the highway.
Nah, for real.
It's over with. It's over. No more. That's the end of this shit.
I already seen one pass.
That nigga finna slide off with them motherfuckers.
Alright, so we back, y'all. Next morning. Last night, we went to the car meet. We couldn't record the whole thing because my phone died. So, oh, it's bright out here. So, my phone died and couldn't get to record the whole meet. But next time I got y'all, I gotta get me a new camera. So yeah. So y'all like, comment, subscribe on this video, and I'll get back with y'all with some more videos. Let's get a cold start real quick. Still sound good. All right, so get back with y'all with some more videos. Peace.